Once in a bustling city, there lived two friends, Maya and Ryan. Both dreamed of success, but their paths differed vastly. Maya believed in meticulous planning and relentless effort, while Ryan embraced adaptability and spontaneity. Maya meticulously scheduled every minute, studying diligently, and aiming for precision in every action. She believed success came from discipline and following a predetermined path. On the other hand, Ryan believed in learning through experience. He welcomed challenges and saw failures as stepping. As they navigated life, Maya excelled in academics, securing a prestigious job in a renowned company. Her career soared as she climbed the corporate ladder. She had a structured life, achieving goals according to her well-crafted plans. Ryan, however, explored various interests, changing jobs frequently and venturing into different fields. He faced setbacks but never lost his enthusiasm. His adaptability and willingness to take risks led him through diverse experiences, enriching his skills and perspectives. Years passed, and Maya's career reached great heights. She was respected in her field and had financial stability. However, she felt a sense of monotony, the routine blurring the passion she once felt. Ryan, despite facing numerous challenges, discovered his true calling along the way. He started high. One day, fate brought them together at a networking event. Maya admired Ryan's enthusiasm and diverse knowledge. Ryan appreciated Maya's meticulous planning and determination. They realized that success wasn't a singular path, but a personal journey defined by individual experiences, choices, and grow. Maya admired Ryan's courage to embrace change. While Ryan respected Maya's dedication and precision, they collaborated on a project, combining Maya's structured approach with Ryan's adaptability. Their collaboration led to groundbreaking innovation, blending structure with flexibility. Their joint venture became a symbol of their shared understanding. Success wasn't solely about adhering to one approach, but a harmonious balance of discipline, adaptability, learning, and resilience. They realized that success wasn't just a destination, but an ongoing process of growth, discovery. Maya learned the value of flexibility and spontaneity, while Ryan appreciated the power of structure and planning. Together, they proved that success isn't confined to a single path, but is shaped by the willingness to evolve, learn, and integrate various approaches in life's journey.